Welcome students, class 9. In previous video we discussed some numericals, practiced some numericals based on SAS, SSS and even one of RHS, congruence rule, right? Today we are taking some more examples to practice. First example, see in adjoining figure, angle A equal to angle C, AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, then prove that triangle ABD, congruent triangle CBE, right? Second, after these triangles to prove, second AE equal to CD, AE equal to CD, and third triangle AOE, this triangle congruent triangle COD, right? See students, before we start we should read example at least 2 to 3 times and match in the diagram. Understand what is given. See there, keep your fingers, just make it mentally. What is given in figure, what part is given. Okay, now see, we are given angle A equal to angle C, so we have marked it. Angle A equal to angle C, marked. Okay, in exam not necessary they will give such markings. You have to mark this. Okay, then AB equal to CB, AB equal to CB, this mark is for complete AB, this mark is for complete AB, CB. Be careful, don't get confused. Okay, yes, this is not for this is not for this. This mark is for AB and this mark is for CB. We did this. In exam, such marks may not be given because they are giving in writing. Now, see, we will take this triangle. This triangle should be proved congruent, no? First we will write. First part, we will write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Okay. ABD, read ABD. Where is ABD? ABD, this triangle. CBE, this triangle. Yes or no? Now watch which sides, which angles are equal in both. See, A equal to C, given. This B is common. Yes or no? And AB equal to CB, given. So which rule is valid? Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Got it? So we will read the angle, we will read the rule which is applicable, then we are writing that rule. Angle, side, angle. This way writing is very helpful because student is reading the rule, observe. Okay. Now angle, which angle? Angle A equal to angle C. See, I wrote ABD this side and CB later on, so all these first part will be of this triangle and this part should be of this triangle. Order. Okay, now side. Yes, AB equal to CB. AB equal to CB. Angle B equal to angle B. We wrote by reading, now we have to give support. Okay, A equal to C, what is support? Given. AB equal to CB, what is support? Given. B equal to B, what is support? Common. Such supports written makes our concept built permanently. Okay, now see, therefore, triangle ABD, congruent triangle CBE. Hence, which rule? ASA rule. must give the support by which rule? ASA rule. Okay. Now second part, A equal to CD. See, we are taking second part to show AE equal to CD. Look, AE and CD. So these AE and CD are not parts of this triangle's rule. So we will take support help of these triangles. See, from this we got BD equal to BE. Yes or no? We can write, see, BD equal to BE. What support? CP, CT from bust. CPCT means you have to state from where CPCT, from which two triangles. We proved in first, so from first. Okay. Now I am giving this number 1. Right? Again see, AE is part of AB, CD is part of BC, BE is also part of AB, BD is also part of CD, and we are knowing AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, given, right? So that's it. If I subtract first from this, let us take this number 2. You will write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Subtract first from second. So AB minus BD equal to BC minus BE now see, look, AB minus BD, AB minus BD, or we can write, because BD and BE are equal, so we can write B, AB minus B and BC minus BD, because they are equal. We can subtract. For more convenient, we will write this BE equal to BD, so that students don't get confused. How to do this? AB minus B, BD minus BC minus BD. So for appearance, for looking, it also appears correct. Okay. Now therefore, see now AB minus B equal to A and BC minus BD equal to CD, and hence true. See, second part is true. Right? Now third part. Look, children, all of you, I am taking third part. Third part, we will read orally, discuss. You will write steps yourself. Right? Yes, what is third part? Triangle AOE. AOE, this triangle. And congruent triangle COD. COD, this triangle. Yes. In this triangle, if we want to prove these triangles are congruent, we are knowing rules SAS, SSS, angle side angle, angle side, and RHS, congruence rules. Yes or no? So just think which rule is applicable here. Look at here. This angle A is equal to C given. This angle equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles, right? And A equal to CD. Proved. So which rule is valid? Angle side. Angle side. So what will you write? In triangle AOE and triangle COD. Which rule we read? Angle side. Angle side. Getting? Then see. You will write angle. Which angle? A. Equal to angle C. Support given. Yes or no? See students, all of you. I am writing angle side here. See, A equal to angle C, given. Okay? Second angle, I am numbering 1, or we can write AOE, angle AOE equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angles. And what is side? AE equal to CD, true. And here we can write vertically opposite angle. Okay, and therefore triangle AOE congruent triangle COD. Hence true. Okay. See, from this you understood that if I am able to read example, I am able to write what is given, but I am able to read what is the rule visible given to us, we can prove it easily. So these type of examples are coming for 3 marks. Remember it. 1 mark, second part 1 mark, third part 1 mark. Okay students, see, now let us take second example. Very simple now. Those who concentrated in first example, now after reading second example, they will say themselves, yes, I can do. Yes, you can solve. Now see, second, AB parallel PQ, AR equal to CP. This much part is equal to this much CP, and you know in AP, AR plus CR plus CP, and if I take AC and PR, CR is common both. CR is part of both AC and PR. Therefore, if we add CR in both AR and CP, we get AC equal to PR. Yes or no? Now see. First we will just look at the given thing. Example number 2. Students look here. AR equal to CP. Add CR in both. Because we have learned axioms. Yes, with axiom is applicable. Addition of yes equal in equals gives the equal wholes. If you add equal in equals, then wholes are equal. Therefore, AR plus CR is AC equal to CP plus CR PR. Got it? Okay, I am coming to this. So that AB equal to PQ. If I want to show AB equal to PQ, I want to show BC equal to RQ, I have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Yes or no? To show AB equal to PQ, BC equal to RQ, we have to prove both triangles are congruent. Right? Now see, AB parallel PQ. In your drawing, this angle equal to this angle. What type of angles are these? Alternate interior angles, because AP becomes transversal. Yes or no? So clearly it is visible now. See, in triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle P, alternate interior angles. Angle BCA equal to angle QRP given. Okay, and AC equal to PR proved. So read the rule. Which rule is applicable? Yes, very good. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay, again see. So we are just writing now. See, AB parallel PQ. Therefore, angle A equal to angle P, alternate interior angles. This is first to be written because in example it is not given. You have to prove these are equal. With therefore this given. Now this makes our way clear. Now we will take triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle SPQR. Which rule? Angle side angle. Yes, angle A equal to angle P. Side AC equal to PR. Okay. Now angle BCA equal to angle SQRP. BCA equal to angle QRP. Now what is support? AP proved, ACPR proved, and BCA equal to QRP given. See, now we will just write here proved. You can write 1 2 from 1 and 2, and this is given. Okay, therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. What it? Now if these two triangles are congruent, then whatever is questioned, these are parts of the congruent triangles. Therefore, number 1, AB equal to PQ and BC equal to RQ. BC equal to RQ and AB equal to PQ. CPC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. What it? See students, very simple here. This was important. If you are given this, addition of equals and equals gives equal holes. Again, parallel alternating triangles. So this rule is becoming visible. Okay. So for this is important. If you are able to do this, means your concept is clear. Your all rules are clear. All methods are very well known to you. Now let us take example 3. Example 3, students, see AC equal to AE. See, AC equal to AE. AB equal to AD. Okay, and BAD, angle BAD equal to angle EAC. Yes or? Then see, look here. If I see this angle complete EAD and BAC, this part is common. This part is common. So angle CAD is common in both. So from this given, we will get new pair of equal angles. Right? Now see, we are writing here. Example 3. Angle BAD equal to angle EAC. Given. Right? So I am adding common in both. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle CAD equal to angle EAC plus angle CAD. See, CAD. This part. I am adding equal. Again, addition of, if you add equal in equals, then holes are equal. Then this implies that so both this angle and this angle, so this angle and this angle becomes EAD. Equal to angle BAC. Okay, we got it. What it? So BAD plus CAD is BAC and EAC plus CAD is EAD. Got it? Now see, we are asked to show BC equal to DE, BC equal to DE, and BC and DE are parts of this triangle and this triangle. So if we prove these two triangles are congruent, we can write BC equal to D. Sit. Got it? So for that only we had to do this one. We should understand what is asked, what is question. For this question, what should I prove? I have to prove this triangle BAC congruent triangle is DAE. Then I will be able to prove. Now you got. Can you tell me which rule is valid here? Yes, if I take triangle BAC and triangle DAE. Please come to BAC. BAE. So BA equal to DA. That is given. AB equal to AD. Yes or given? See, and angle BAC equal to angle DAE. Right? See, angle BAC equal to angle DAE. See, we got it from first. And which side now? AC equal to AE. What is support? Given. Yes or no? Now see the rule. Which rule? Side, angle, side. Therefore, triangle BAC congruent triangle DAE. Therefore, triangle BAC congruent triangle DAE. SAS rule. Okay. And if these two triangles are congruent, then BC and DE are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore, BC equal to DE. Simplicity. Hence, okay, fine. Now see, but all of you see the video 2 times, each example 2 times, copy example and solve yourself without seeing video. I am sure you understand, right? Very good.